Hi everybody and welcome to our second episode of Introduction to Photography. The last one we did was about lighting and how you can get good lighting in the house during our time in this situation. So today I'm going to be a bit more broader and demonstrate to you something that you can use both while we're in 2020 isolation and take it into the field out and about when we are done. So today I'm going to talk about composition. There are many ways to compose a photograph. Sort of composition is when there's elements of the photograph in certain places that make the picture. So you can say have a person here, a mountain here, a canopy there. So you get in the right angle, or if you can move things about, you move things about to make the photograph a more pleasing image to look at. So today composition is about rule of thirds. If you even step into photography, it's probably one of the first things you've heard of. So I'm just going to try and explain it briefly so you understand it a bit more and use it in your own images. Okay, rules of third is pretty basic. You have your lens, and either in your head, or a lot of cameras do this on phones or DSLRs, a lot of cameras have a function that actually puts the grid onto the lens viewfinder, so it's easier for you to set up, but you can always imagine it in your head. So basically, pretend this is what you're looking through, this is your viewfinder, basically, and this is not going to be neat. You divide the screens into thirds, okay? And a lot of people tend to put images, especially portraits, they put the photographs dead in the center, which is great. It works, but sometimes it's nice just to move people off center. So if it's always handy to have your subject in, try and get them in one of these corners. Okay, so instead of having it center, try and have them to one side. Even try and have them in a bit as well, so on this line, and probably a head there, or a mountain, or a windmill, whatever you're taking a picture of. This works for portraits and landscapes. Try and just get them off centre a bit using these four corners. I'll put some images on here to demonstrate that a bit better. So basically, yeah, you just take it to one corner. Also, if you're doing portraits or anything, if you're doing portraits, sometimes it's best to get the eyes level on this section here. So you've got the line section here. And if you're doing landscape, a lot of people tend to put the horizon line in the middle. That's not always the best case. So if you've got a brilliant sky that you want to take a picture of, so you've got like sand, sea, and then the sky that's so shiny and bright and colourful, and the sun shining down through the clouds, then get the ground level down to this bottom bit here. Okay, so you've got more sky than ground. However, if you've got the ground looks better, say you've got a field of crops or flowers or anything like that, and the sky is not excellent and you're not wanting too much of the sky in, think putting the landscape up here a bit. So you've got the ground up here, you got your flowers up there, and so you've got a more of the flowers and crops and stuff. Okay, and stuff. That's technical, that is. So yeah, so that's the rule of thirds. Try and get your subject off center, and also try and get them in level with these lines rather than just trying to put them in the middle of the image. It makes for a more pleasing image, and it just makes your photographs a bit more dynamic. Okay, thank you for viewing, and I'll see you next time. If you want to learn anything about photography, just comment below and I'll try and do an introduction. Again, this is just an introduction to photography. I'm not doing you really in-depth lessons, but if you step into photography, start with your videos, they can be handy. And no matter what you're taking a picture with, whether it's a DSLR, whether it's brand spanking new Canon R, whatever, or your phone, you know, whatever it is, go out and take pictures and use some of these as a way to explore the world around you. Okay, that's it for now, and I'll see you soon. Ta-ra for now.